What's up guys, it's Geeks Corner here. Today I'm going to be doing another unboxing. This is a product I actually had delivered to myself yesterday, but I just haven't had a chance to get around to opening it. And I ordered it through on the Amazon Prime Day. So this one was a little bit on offer, and as you can see it's got a caution lithium ion battery warning on here. I wasn't impressed with the way this was delivered. It was actually just left outside, not really hidden, not kept safe. But there we are, it's arrived anyway, so hopefully it's not damaged. And then I actually don't know what it's like. Basically it is a portable charger for the iPhone. Just something that caught my eye on the last minute whilst I was browsing. I actually wasn't really going to buy anything in a Prime Day. But as you can see, it's an iWalk battery pocket. Small but strong with 3300 milliamp hour, and as you can see it's not the best looking thing. However, in a few weeks I've got a couple of trips planned and I just wanted some extra power so I can just smack in and go. And what I also liked about this, it's also got a pass-through charging as well, so you can actually plug this into your bottom of your phone, so when you go to bed, plug your power cable into it and it'll charge both your phone and this at the same time. So it's definitely something that's going to be hopefully handy if it's any good. And like I said, I got a couple of trips coming up, so I will be doing a good testing it to see if it is actually worth it. Like I say, it does look obviously pretty hideous, but it's just the emergency ones as well. Up until I got my iPhone 8 Plus, I did have the Apple battery pack on my 6S, and even though that was a little bit ugly on the back with a bump, you actually got used to it and the battery life was phenomenal. But I can't really seem to get a decent battery case for my 8 Plus without spending an absolute fortune. So I just went for this one. Like I say, it was on offer and it's just hopefully going to tie me over. But I just wanted to do a bit quick unboxing of it just to see what we get. I will put a link in the description below for you guys as well. And like I say, I will give you a bit of a review later on once I've used it. But basically, we've got the actual device itself, and it's got a little cap on here, and also you got your charging lights there, and I'm assuming there's the power button, which you can't really see here. Yeah, so it's got a bit of charge in it, and there's the charging port in the back there. So that's the actual device there. And then in the actual box here, you've got your instructions, and you've got lightning cable here. I'm probably not even going to use this. I will check it in my rucksack that I've got going on, and I'll probably just stick to the official lightning cable there. Okay, so I've switched over to an iPhone 5S just to give it a shot. As you can see, it did come with a bit of power in it with the lights there displaying, and let's get rid of that notification. As you can see, it is actually charging the device there, so it does actually seem to be doing what it's intended to do. But like I said, we'll give it a bit of a review once we've used it. But as you can see, I'm not going to lie, it does look pretty ugly, but hopefully it gets the job done. So there we are guys, that's it for today. I hope you've enjoyed this short video on iWalk. Like I said, I will do a full-on hands-on review once I've used it for a bit. That's it for today guys, thanks for watching and I will catch you on the next one.